Hey, it's Angie from Trips with Angie, and this video is going to take you through the 4 main room categories at Nickelodeon Punta Cana. First up is Pad Suite. This is the entry-level room. So we took a look at room 2204. The bathroom is very similar in the Pad Suite and the Flat Suite. You have the bathtub stand-up shower that comes with a king bed or 2 double beds plus a sleeper sofa. If you want to guarantee a king bed, you're going to book it as a Nest Suite. Now we're going to spend a little bit more time on the Flat Suite since this one tends to be more popular with the families I book at this resort. You have a little wristband that gets you into the room. Now we'll take a closer look at that bathroom. So you still have the bathtub and the 2 sinks. Notice it's a little narrow in front of that second sink that's right by the bathtub, so just be a little careful there. There is a curtain that comes down, creating privacy in the bathroom. You don't have to have a full window available all the time. You have your toilet, and then your walk-in shower with your rain shower head or a handheld. Now, the handheld we had was super strong. It was like being in a car wash. So just be careful when you turn it on. Be sure it's facing away from you. This is the mini bar. This is an all-inclusive, so it is included. You can make your own coffee, or you also have the option of room service 24/7. Your juices, snacks, sodas, beer, all included in your mini bar and replaced daily. Now, the big difference between the Flat Suite and the Pad Suite is the size, because the king bed area is closed off on the Flat Suite. So you can have full privacy. You do not have to go to bed at the same time as your children, and you don't have to hide in the bathroom. You also have this nice little eating area where you can bring up stools for your room service snack or breakfast. That is a sleeper sofa, and then your TV out here as well. Heading out on the patio, very similar patio. Now, both the Pad Suite and the Flat Suite come as a swim up. So that would just mean instead of a balcony, your patio with the same setup, you'd be able to jump into one of the shared pools. If you want to see what that looks like, be sure to check out my full resort tour. I'll include a link in the description. Now the Swank Suite. Now notice you have a view outside from the bathtub here instead of a view into the room. Still, you have your 2 sinks, toilet, stand-up shower with rain shower head and handheld. This comes with a king-size bed and a huge patio. It comes in a swim up, or this one here is a private pool. So your private pool options are going to be on an upper level. And then this is the main area. This is closed off from where the king bed is. You have a full table and chairs and a sleeper sofa. You can get this connecting to a Pad Suite. Now on to the Super Pool Villa. You may have seen pictures that have a big pineapple in front. They're all the same, but there's only one with a pineapple. This is in your villa. So this is your private pool within your villa. You're behind the door. It has a living room with a sleeper sofa, table and chairs. Again, if you're enjoying some of that great room service. It has 3 bathrooms. So this first bathroom is downstairs. So there's 2 bathrooms downstairs, 1 bathroom upstairs. And here's the stairs you can see that lofts up to a bedroom with 2 double beds. Here is the master bedroom with the king bed. Yes, you still get SpongeBob in the master bedroom. You also have your own television and a lovely bathroom. So the tub gets moved outside. You also have an outdoor shower, so you can really enjoy being in that beautiful Dominican Republic weather. But don't worry, there's still options inside in case it is during the rainy season. You have your rainforest head shower and handheld. So now we're upstairs, and that's the room with the 2 double beds, and they also have their own small bathroom up here with a stand-up shower and toilet. So those are the rooms. I am here to help you figure out which option is going to be best for your family. If you're ready to book and review your options, drop me an email.